Hello everyone and welcome back to Styles with Kira. We are just going to jump straight in. So as you can see, I already have my subsection ready. I just apply a little bit of Shine and Jam. And then I'm going to split this subsection into 3 smaller sections. So I'm just going to slow this down a little bit so that you can get the gist of what I'm doing here. As you can see, I am splitting the subsection into 3 small sections. And then I'm going to take the hair on the far right and move it to the far left. And then I take the middle piece of the hair, hold that, and then moving the left piece from the far left to the far right. And I'm just going to go ahead and add my hair in. But when you're adding your hair in, you're going to anchor the extension hair on your finger, as you can see that I'm doing. Moving the hair from the far right to the far left, and then moving the hair from the far left to the far right. So basically, we're just going to keep repeating this process until we get the desired density that we want for this braid. All right, everyone. So basically, I am just finishing up the braid. I'm just braiding it on down. And then we are just going to do this one more time so that we can just make sure that you guys have it. Okay. So I am just parting out my subsection once again. And this time I am showing you that how I'm doing it. I part out my subsection. In this subsection, I did add jam into my part because adding the jam into your part makes the parts so much more cleaner. Okay, so then I just go ahead and comb out my subsection and add a little jam to the subsection as well. Okay, and then I am going to slow this down again for you so that you can see it from a different angle. Okay, so I do the same thing we did in the last braid. All right, so I am going to slow it down here. And we're going to split the subsection into 3 small sections once again. And then you're going to take the far right piece of hair to the far left and moving the far left to the far right. You grab your piece of hair that has been anchored and added in, moving the hair from the far right to the far left. and moving the far left to the far right. And of course, you're just going to repeat the rest of this for your braid until you've reached your desired density. And that's how you do knotless box braids. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And then of course, make sure you press the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time.